go. Alright, welcome back to Project Red review, episode number 4. Reviewing the 4th episode of Super Space Sheriff Gavan Infinity, known as Underground Fortress. Unlike the previous few episodes, where they kind of start on Infinity's Earth, this one they go straight to Sigma's Earth, where it opens up basically so there's a report out that apparently key facilities are being stolen. And then we see like an AI, apparently this building behind these two guards are an AI facility, and then Gavan finally saves them. And then next day, we find out what this world is. It's called Stigma, where it's a world where humans and insects work alongside each other. We have basically what looks like a praying mantis, lots of ants. They even bring up the fact the Prime Minister of Japan is a rhinoceros beetle. I'm like, interesting. So, basically, they would know that you're talking to this. By the way, the ant himself, he talks in the episode, he is completely CG. And I think the reason why the TV show budget went with this because he's tiny. So, it's like, we're trying to find out who it is, and then we kind of follow like a trail underground, obviously. And oh look, and we find the AI facility where they stolen the computer, and oh, there's this mysterious person locked in the room. So then the ant detective, yes, the ant detective. Well, first he shoots him, and of course, basically he frees him from the room thanks to using his own ant legs to fry a key card reader. They get out of the room and like, oh, these people, this guy was arrested by the ant detective for the crime of making weapons. And, oh yeah, and get this. So, the area they're in, they explain in universe that this was this was supposed to be an underground railroad, like an actual subway, but was canceled and made all this other stuff. The tunnels themselves are commonly reused tow-used tunnels that were actually just seen. I think it was just in. I don't think it was previous episode. I know it was seen King Launcher. I know that it's seen frequently over in Sentai in Kamen Rider. 11 Metal Hero. So then he takes on a drill. They activate the Cosmo Gavan, so they activate the Gavan to take on not the monster, but he's not even destroyed this episode by Gavan. It's who the ant is actually this world's version of Gavan. Of course, he thought it was the woman. Nope, it's. But when the trap basically gives him some good advice, it leads to unleash basically the first drill of the series. And you see they're like, yeah, this is completely just taking stuff from the original spaceship stuff, was all the drill stuff. So there goes attachments to basically their Megazord, and then they destroy the drill, and then he is arrested, he's thanked, a ladybug helps him out, and that's it. Overall, of the 4 episodes so far, this one's probably the weakest so far. It's not a terrible episode. It's not as well. We do see actually a post-credit scene of Bushido, which of course we're gonna see a return of him in the very next episode. I'm like, interesting. So aside from Infinity, his AI girl, and the Colonel, and Savage Comic Release, but she is probably like the only character, and looks like we're going back to his world next episode, which I'm like, okay, he only left the place just like at that point about 3 episodes ago, so maybe we can see a team up to who knows. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Particular video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, to notifications. Next up is the Comic Corner, and then it's on to Case Closed. Okay, thanks, Phil. Bye.